All right, welcome to the second video in this series on how to set up and create your Basecamp account as well as how we use it. So in this video, I'm gonna actually go over where your dashboard is, what to look at, and your profile settings to make sure that you're set up for success. So once you log into Basecamp, this is what it looks like. The first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna click on the little bubble all the way to the top right. And this is going to open up your preferences. So once we're in here, one of the things you want to do is you want to make sure your notifications are on. So if you click on change your notification settings, make sure it says notify me about everything. Make sure your reminders are checked. Make sure your email is checked and your pop-up. For show the number of unread items, that's up to you if you want to show that. I personally like to see it so I know where I'm at. And then when to get notifications, I usually just leave it as the default. Click save your settings and you're good to go. The next thing we want to actually activate and make sure that it's good is we want to just click on the bubble one more time. Go down to profile, password, and 2FA. If you want to upload a picture, please do. Go ahead and do that. You just click on it. It'll open up a pop-up. You can find a picture. I'll find mine here. Boom. And you press open and you got your picture. Make sure your name is correct. Title, make sure you put a title if you want to. I'll just put Ramon example person. Boom. Location, I'm in San Antonio. I'll just put that in there. If you want to put a short bio, maybe your company, whatever you like. Make sure your address is correct and then just click on save changes. And if you ever want to go back and update that, you can do that here as well. The next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on your picture now because now you have a picture in there. Go to preferences. You can change the colors if you want. I preferably like dark. That's why mine's is dark, but you can always switch to lighter color. Up to you. Make sure your time is set up. Mine's is central. Everything else I leave the same and I'll just play save. And the final piece here is my activity. So click on activity at the top. Make sure that this has a check mark on it, email a daily summary. This is how you know what's going on and staying up to date. Whether you log in or not, you'll get an email. You can see that if I click it, it's off. If I click it, now it's on, okay? So make sure it's on. Now let's go ahead and go back to home. Now home is not really your dashboard. Your dashboard is actually going to be when you click on your name here as the example that I have. So if I click on my name, I'll see that this is my dashboard, okay? From here, just so you know, there'll be another video kind of going over each one of these boxes. But as far as elevated tax strategies, we only use these top 3 boxes for our clients, right? So we have message board, to-dos, and docs and files. Look out for the next video as the next video will go over these 3 boxes.